Good morning, everybody. My name is John Gonzalez, President of Hairdressers Career Development Systems. This is going to be the first of many short videos so I can talk with you about and share my 43 years as a salon owner, hairdresser, and also 10 years as an educator and the author of 5 books. I've traveled every trade show in the United States and every province in Canada. I know all of you are concerned, worried, the anxiety of being shut down due to the coronavirus. This will end. Now's the time to rethink, because the beauty industry is never going to be the same after this virus is over. So you owners, you've got to focus on the business management aspect of salon ownership. We've got to find a way how we can unite and form our own association. I will be spreading my ideas with you. Please go to my website. I offer a lot of free business information for you. It's HCDS4YOU.com. I offer free business tips for owners, personal development success tips for your staff. I offer teacher development tips, and I also offer tips for students. We have a great profession. I know many of you are struggling, and sadly, many of our salon owners are not going to make it. Many of our hairdressers will leave our profession to find work in other careers. I tell you, young people, don't give up. You owners, don't give up. I have over 43 years of information. This is what I do. This is my office. This is what I do every day. I'm retired. Fortunately, I'm financially independent and debt-free. I can afford to do all this. I'm donating my time, trying to help people that want to be helped. I urge you, I allow no product companies on my site. I don't allow any chit-chat. We're not even talk about hair. Is it not a skill to get 40, 50 new customers in the door? That's what you should be focusing on. You should write a letter, a postcard to all your current, future, and old clients. A nice little letter saying we're thinking of you, we're going to be ready for you, and we will make sure that our salon is fully sanitized. So I invite you to come in. I'm going to do these videos all the time, every day. What else we're going to do? We're in our homes. Use this precious time. You owners, revamp your business. Let's pretend that you're opening a new business. Let's do it right the next time, because lack of planning is what kills most businesses. So I want to thank you for your time. I'm going to be recording these, and I'll be releasing on my YouTube channel. Make sure you go to my website. An awful lot of free information there. I'm not even promoting my books or anything. This is not the time to promote books. This is the time to get you through these next month or 2 months or whatever it takes. But we will return, and we're going to come back stronger than ever before. Let's remake this profession. Let's throw out the old, bring in the new. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.